thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Salton Sea Beach, or 12 miles north of Salton City, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations infected include Indio, southeastern Palm Springs, Coachella, Palm Desert, Highway 74 between Anza and Palm Desert, Thermal, Highway S22 between Laredo Springs and Impure. And Bermuda Dunes. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. GMT for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego.